Pandemic has helped us go back to our roots and understand the traditional ways of treating diseases. Now, this has created more awareness on the importance for cultivating these medicinal plants on a larger scale, just as Mona Lisa had shared on the screen. And just as Agni Prasad sir also confirmed that we still do not know what are the right cures for COVID. So it's better that we depend on these traditional methods, which are in no way harmful, but at least would try to increase the immunity of every individual. Thank you so much, Sudesha School, for your presentations. Now we move on to the students from Modern School Nagpur from the state of Maharashtra in India. And the first presenter is Master Parv Jain.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Parv Jain from class 9, Modern School, India. Today, we are all gathered here to discuss about the traditional remedies of different countries for boosting immunity. And the country of my studies, India. First of all, what is immunity? Immunity is the ability of a body to fight or resist against diseases. And we all have well understood the importance of immunity in this crucial time of pandemic. Our immunity can be boosted by certain vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, zinc, iron, and so on. They are found in a variety of plant and animal food items. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is really good for our immunity. My own city, Nagpur, is famous for oranges and thus is called the Orange City. Now, as we all know, what is immunity? Let's move on discussing some traditional remedies for boosting immunity practiced in India. Though there were many of them, I managed to list some of them before you. They are turmeric milk, kadha, pranayam, yoga, and Ayurveda. Let's discuss about the turmeric milk first. Turmeric milk is a natural antiseptic which makes it excellent to consume with milk. It is loaded with n number of nutrients and dietary fibers which makes it very good for our digestion and increases our blood circulation. An interesting fact that India produces nearly 94% of the total production of turmeric in the whole world. Next, I come up with kadha. Kadha is the Indian traditional drink, often consumed as chai or tea. It can be prepared by using ingredients such as clove, ginger, lemon, tulsi, which is also known as basil, and giloy. It is a really good immunity booster, which is really good in curing sore throat and cough. The presence of tulsi makes it an effective healing drink that reduces mucus in our body. And during this COVID, the whole world made the use of it. Next, I come up with pranayam. Pranayam is the ancient practice of India in which we control our breath. We inhale, hold our breath, and exhale. This can be done in different styles and are named specifically. Some of them are Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati, and Brahmi. They really boost our enhance our respiratory system, which is really important because as we all know that COVID directly attacks our respiratory system. Next, I come up with yoga. Yoga is also the ancient practice of India. It is really good for lowering stress hormones and keeps us mentally and physically fit. It also helps us to reduce fat. As we all know, fat is the starting of many other dangerous diseases. And the Prime Minister of India also encourages the practice of yoga. In 2014, he declared 21st June as the International Yoga Day and the whole world respects it. At last, I come up with Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the Indian traditional system of medicines which is used since long. It includes herbal remedies, exercise, meditation, breathing, and physical therapies. During COVID, when homeopathic and allopathic remedies were not so effective, Ayurvedic remedies were quite effective in reducing the impact of COVID. Some benefits of adapting Ayurveda are it reduces stress, increases our immunity, reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, cholesterol, and symptoms of illness and diseases. There are some remedies which are proposed by Ayurveda. Some of them are Chyawanprash, breathing exercises, physical therapies, and many more. I want to tell you about Chyawanprash a little briefly. Chyawanprash is a mixture of many Indian spices, and mainly gooseberry. It is also known as amla. It is a really good immunity booster which increases the amount of white blood cells in our body. With this, I come to an end of my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Parv, for all the insightful information that you have shared with us.